Hi everyone, I'm Injin Kadip Soriano and I discuss the requirement to be complied by a ship under Marpol Annex 4, 5, and 6. The International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships aim to minimize pollution from ships. Here's a breakdown of the requirements for ships under Marpol Annex 4, 5, and 6. So let's start. To Marpol Annex 4, Sewage from Ship. This annex focuses on preventing pollution from sewage discharge from ships. It applies to all ships over 400 gross tonnage and those under 400 gross tonnage that carry more than 15 people. Here are the key requirements. Sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant ship must have an approved that meets the standard outlined in the annex. The effluent from the STP must not produce visible floating solids or cause discoloration of the water. Holding tanks. Ships must have holding tanks to store sewage when they cannot discharge it. Discharge condition. Discharge of sewage is prohibited instead. When the ship is discharged, contaminated and disinfected sewage using an approved system at a distance of more than 3 nautical miles from the nearest land. When the ship is discharging sewage that is not contaminated or disinfected at a distance of more than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. When the ship is discharging sewage from a species containing living animal at a moderate rate while en route and proceeding at not less than 4 knots. Standard discharge connection. Ship must have a standard discharge connection to facilitate the transfer of sewage to reception facilities in the port. So let's move to Marpol Annex 5, Garbage from Ship. This annex addresses the prevention of pollution by garbage from ship. It applies to all ships. Here are the requirements. Garbage management plan. Ship must have a plan for managing garbage on board, including procedures for location, storage, and disposal. The discharge restriction. The annex prohibits the discharge of all plastic into the sea. It also sets distances from land for the discharge of other types of garbage. Reception facilities. Ports must provide adequate reception facilities for garbage from ship. So let's move on to our last topic. Marpol Annex 6, Air pollution from ship. This annex to reduce air pollution from ship. It applies to all ships. Here are the requirements. The first one is Emission Control Area or ECAs. ECAs are designated areas with stricter emission limits for sulfur oxide, nitrogen oxide, and particulate matter. Sulfur content limit. Ships most use fuel with a maximum sulfur content limit in their engines. Noxious emission. Ships must meet noxious emission standard for the engines. Energy efficiency. Ships must meet energy efficiency standards to reduce greenhouse gas emission. The International Air Pollution Prevention, or IAPP. Ships must obtain an IAPP certificate to demonstrate compliance with the annexes requirements. These are just some of the key requirements under MARPOL Annexes 4, 5, and 6. It's important for ships to comply with these regulations to protect the marine environment and ensure the sustainability of the shipping industry. That's all. Thank you.